Tower, Blue Streak 5342 on Mount Vernon, visual runway 1.
Blue Streak 5342, Washington Tower, 1 star, 320 17, gust 25. Can you take runway 33?
Yeah, we can do 33 for Blue Streak 5342.
Blue Streak 5342, that's a Wilson Bridge, thanks for runway 33, runway 33, clear for land.
Thanks for runway 33, runway 33 for land, Blue Streak 5342.
Jet 789, 1 star, 320 15, gust 25, traffic 2 out, no delay, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1, no delay, jet.
Washington Tower, American 3130 with you, runway 1.
American 3130, Washington Tower, 1 star, 31014, gust 25, runway 1, clear for land. Traffic may depart prior to arrival.
Okay, clear land, runway 1, American 3130.
Jet 789, contact Stone Park today.
Okay.
American 3130, for the final.
Slowing, American 3130.
Pass 25, traffic just south of Wilson Bridge to CRJ at 1,200 feet, start runway 33. This is Bridge Roof. American 1630 Tower, runway 1, lot void, traffic throughout, start runway 33, dispatch 16 on final.
Final void, runway 1,
Blue Streak 5307, keep rolling out to November, ground 47 today. American 1630 1 star, 320 14, gust 25, traffic 2 mile up base, runway 33, no delay, runway 1, clear for immediate takeoff.
Number 1, clear for takeoff, American 1630.
Pass 25, get the CRJ in sight. Pass 25, pass behind the CRJ. Good steppers.
American 4782 by Baton, Mount Vernon visual.
American 472, Washington Tower, 1 star, 320 17.
Alright, this is wind. Tower, did you see that?
American 472. American 3130, go around, turn left end 250, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, left heading 350, 3000, American 3130. Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request runway 33, circle to 33. Taking heading for American 3130.
American 3130, go around, turn left end 270, climb maintain 3000.
270 on the heading, 3000, American 3130.
American 472, cancel landing clearance runway 1, continue. American 472, cancel approach clearance runway 1, continue.
Approach clearance canceled, we're continuing. Blue Streak 5305, I assume you saw that over by house.
Affirmative.
Clarify what you want 478 to do. Are we going around or are we continuing?
05, maintain 3000.
American 472 is going around, we're going to climb maintain 3000. Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Alright, for American 472, we're on the go. We're going to climb maintain 3000. You have a heading?
American 472, let's start heading 270, climb maintain 3000. Contact Potomac on 118.495.
270 the heading, 3000 and 1895, American 472.
American 3130, contact approach on 1895.
1895, American 3130. 5347 is on final. Request circle to 33.
Blue Streak 5347, go around, climb maintain 3000, fly forward.
3000 heading, go around 3000, Blue Streak 5347.
American 3130, contact approach, standby.
Crash. This is alert 3. Crash. This is alert 3. Crash. This is alert 3. Oh, shit. Where's the alert 3? It is off the approach end of runway 33. Approach end of runway 33. Helicopter crash. Helicopter. Yes, copies.
Copy out this morning.
Crash. Alert 3, 2 helicopters. Helicopter CRJ approaching runway 33.
Where are we?
The approaching runway 33, a mile off final. Crash. Kilo CRJ approaching 33.
Okay. How many souls on board?
We don't have any of that information.
One for taxi 301.
I was reporting a CRJ and a helicopter crash in Potomac River.
Can we go ahead and hold all operations till we have emergency units respond? We're going to go ahead and show the aerodrome closed.
Yeah, that's affirmative. Hold all operations, aerodrome closed.
Blue Streak 5347, turn right heading 0, Erickson. Blue Streak 5347, turn right heading 120.
120 and heading Blue Streak 5347.
And everybody just hold your positions, please, on the field right now.
That's 43, ready for taxi.
Everyone's going to have to hold for down. I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Fire Command, the accident happened in the river. Both the helicopter and the plane crashed in the river. It's east of the approach end of runway 33.
Is the airfield closed?
Yes, the airfield is closed. The airfield is closed.
Runways as well?
Yes, all runways are closed. Nobody's landing. No one's moving at all.
And we have clearance across all taxiways and runways, correct?
Yes, you have clearance through the whole field, all taxiways and runways.